Brad Hall here, very excited about this video. If you're a sneakerhead, you need to have the right pair of shoes for any situation. But today's modern world, it's so fast, you never know what's gonna pop up during the day. That's why you have to carry a lot of shoes with you and carry them in a shoe bag, just like this one. This is my shoe bag. It's a really good look and a convenient way to carry all your shoes. Now, I've been carrying a shoe bag on and off for a while, so I've got a lot of experience, and I'm gonna share my thoughts, my wisdom with you. I'm gonna share 5 types of shoes that you must have in your shoe bag. First up, it's important to have a pair of shoes that you feel comfortable getting dirty. I know that there'll be times where I'll have to change a tire or wade through a fountain, and I've got the perfect pair of shoes for it. It's the Michael Air Jordan 1, and it is so beat up. The soles are really dirty too. It's just the perfect beater. Up next, a situation that I think we can all relate to, an impromptu, totally unexpected formal event. It can be a wedding, it can be a funeral. You just need the right pair of shoes. Another Michael Air Jordan. This time, the Michael Air Jordan 11 cap and gown. Really nice looking formal shoe. A must-have in your shoe bag. Now, you never know when someone might invite you to play some pickup basketball. No one really invites me that much, but I am ready. I've got a pair of basketball shoes in here. Nike Kobe 1 Protro. I'm ready to play basketball. Anyone? So, let me know. I almost forgot that invitation is open for football too. I keep a pair of cleats in here, my Yeezy cleats, so if any of you guys wanna do some mean 11v11, let me know. I think I speak for all of us when I say one of the big reasons we're into shoes is to impress other people. I like to keep a pristine, dead stock pair of shoes. The OffWhite VaporMax. Pull this puppy out at a meeting and the jaws will drop. Probably get promoted because it's so impressive. There it is. What an impressive shoe. It's a must-have. The last must-have shoe for your shoe bag is for a situation that could happen at any moment. That is meeting Kanye. You would have so much egg on your face if you met Kanye and you weren't wearing a pair of Yeezys. That's why it's important to keep a pair of Yeezys in your bag. I put the recent Butter 350 V2 in here, and I'm glad I did, just in case. I'll be ready. So these were the 5 types of shoes that every person should have in their shoe bag. I hope you found this helpful, and please, in the comments section, let me know about your shoe bag. What types of shoes are in it? What's the bag made of? How big is it? Whatever you want to let me know in the comments section. And until then,